Hello, good day everyone. This is Teps. Welcome to this channel. This next repair is a Sony 42 inches smart TV, model KDL42W804A. It turns on, and the backlight flashes, then the red light indicator blinks 5 times. I will show you why the red light blinks 5 times. If you're new to this channel and have you found it interesting, consider subscribing and pushing the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. Sony TV blinking red light is an error code. You can see in this chart, the 5 times blink is the T-con error. So let's go straight to the T-con and see what is the problem.
Dua
Let's take a voltage measurement of this fuse. The voltage is 0, this is the 12 volts DC in. The fuse is not blown. The resistance of the 12 volts line is 430 ohms, it should be about 22 kilo ohms. The T-con has a short circuit. The cause of the short circuit is mostly a ceramic capacitor. Set the multimeter to continuity mode. Tap the negative probe to the ground, and tap the positive probe to every ceramic capacitor. Mostly the one terminal of the capacitor is connected to the ground, and the other terminal is mostly the voltage rail line. If the terminals beep both of them, it's probably shorted. One of these capacitors is shorted. The short circuit is still there. The short circuit is gone. This capacitor is shorted. The capacitance of the good capacitor is 10 microfarads. The other shorted one must be also 10 microfarads. This scrap board is from an LCD panel. These two capacitor look similar to the other two capacitors. And it's also 10 microfarads. The voltage rating of this capacitor cannot be tested by a multimeter, but the build size is similar. I estimated them about 16 volts to 35 volts. The 12 volts input is still 0. Sony TV has a fuse on its main board. Let's take a look. This SMD fuse is blown. I will replace it with a K. K is 1.5 amperes. Let's try again. "12 volts is present now and seems working now."
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can help my channel by liking and subscribing, and you can also give me a super thanks hopefully. Once again, this is Tefts. See you in the next video. Bye for now.